If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need red poppy, festive red, peridot, green flash, champagne gold, rich espresso, white pearl, we need black to correct any mistakes, and silver illusion to enhance our dots. Also optional is clear acrylic sealer to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with red poppy using the largest tool number 15, white pearl, tool number 1, dots around. Using tool number 6, dots around, and using tool number 1 to drag it. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add some more paint on top. Green flash, tool number 3, dots around, and tool number 1 to drag it. Let's follow along the guide. If it doesn't look good, no worries, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it is still wet. Paint it over with black and let it dry. And now is my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and add more vibrancy to our painting. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel. Optional, spray it with a sealer to preserve the painting. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting mandala project with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.